If you have ever pasted a checkout snippet from a tutorial and absolutely nothing happened, no error, no change, nothing, this is why. There are two completely different checkouts in WooCommerce, and half of the advice online only works on one of them. Go to Pages, hover over the checkout page, click Edit. If you see a visual layout with blocks, you can click into you are on block checkout. If you see a single shortcode in a square bracket, WooCommerce_checkout, this is a classic checkout. That's the whole test. Here is the part that costs people hours of their time. This filter, WooCommerce checkout fields, is what nearly every tutorial from 2015 and 2023 teaches us. On block checkout, it does nothing. It does not cause any error, does not warn you. This field just never appears, and you assume you typed a wrong thing. You change field in the block editor itself or with the newly additional checkout API. On Classic, the old hooks all works fine. So before you follow any checkout tutorial, do a 10-second check first. It will save your time. New installs default to block. So if your store is recent, that's probably block checkout.